हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 7th इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक की यूनिट 1 जिसका नाम है 3 क्वेश्चंस। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए यूनिट 1 शुरू करते हैं। Comprehension A. Read the passage and answer the following questions. This is the story of Eklavya, a tribal prince who regarded Dronacharya as his teacher. He made a clay statue of his guru and started practicing archery in front of it. Soon he became an expert in shooting. Once, while Drona and his pupils were hunting in the forest, their hunting dog spotted his statue and started barking. Suddenly, 7 arrows were shot at the dog's mouth, but the dog was not hurt. Amazed, Drona immediately learned about this expert shooter being greater than his favorite pupil Arjun. On being asked, this shooter admitted that he practiced in front of his clay statue. Though impressed, Drona remembered to have promised Arjun to make him the world's greatest archer. He demanded as his Guru Dakshina from this tribal prince his right hand thumb. First, correct the following statements were necessary. A. The tribal prince was Drona's favorite student. Arjun was Drona's favorite student. B. The student learned archery from Arjun. This student learnt archery from Drona statue. C. Drona shooted arrows at the dog's mouth. Eklavya shot arrows at the dog's mouth. D. Drona asked for his disciple left hand thumb. Drona asked for Eklavya's right hand thumb. Second, find words in the passage which means the same as A. Something which is made in metal, stone or clay and resembles a person. ये है statue. B. Student, pupil. C. Skilled person or expert. Working with language, vocabulary. A. Compound words make compound words in the following verbs. Example, words ending or beginning with table are shown as in the verb. Table, dining table, table lamp, tablecloth, timetable. Card, postcard, greeting card, ration card, Aadhaar card. Room, bedroom, bathroom, classroom, drawing room. Bed, bedroom, bed sheet, double bed, single bed. Hand, handshake, handwritten, hand wash, handsome. B. Pick out words from the linked lesson which are opposite to the words given below. Always, never, foolish, wise, strong, weak, dissatisfied, satisfied, unnecessary, necessary, unknown, known, least, most, together, alone, slept, wake up, war, peace. Grammar. A. Reported speech. Read the following example of direct speech reported as indirect speech. Direct speech. Once others said, it is impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Indirect speech. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. First, Soma said, my father is busy in the workshop. Soma said that her father was busy in the workshop. Second, Sonam said, my pen is lost. Sonam said that her pen was lost. Third, Rajiv said, my journey from Delhi is very comfortable. Rajiv said that his journey from Delhi was very comfortable. Fourth, my mother said it is impossible for me to attend the function. My mother said that it was impossible for her to attend the function. Fifth, Ronita said, I want an ice cream. Ronita said that she wanted an ice cream. B. Conditional sentences using if. First, dash if you give me no answer, I will return home. Second, dash he would never fail if he knew three things. Third, if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died dash. As you can see that there are three types of if clauses. Sentence 1 represent condition that is possible to fulfill. Sentence 2 represent condition in theory possible to fulfill, and sentence 3 represent condition not possible to fulfill too late. Complete the following sentences using appropriate if clause. If I like it, I will buy it. If it rains, I will stay indoor. If I had studied, I would have passed. I will not pass if I do not study hard. If I had a tail, it could perform as my third arm. I shall go abroad if I win the lottery. If I could fly, I would fly upon water levels and enjoy. If Tuesday is a holiday, I will come to meet you. If I had reached the station on time, I would have got the train. C. Degrees of adjectives. Complete the following sentences with the comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives given in brackets. First, I am dash in art than history, more interested. Second, today is the dash day of the month, hottest. Third, Geeta wants a dash car for her family, big. Fourth, traveling by train is dash as compared to bus, more comfortable. Fifth, Kirti works dash than Izat, better. Sixth, ice cream is dash than any other meal, tastier. Seventh, steam is dash than hot water, hotter. Eighth, she is the dash person in her family, most intelligent. Ninth, she got the dash marks in her class, highest. 10th, Geeta's health is dash than yesterday. Words. Dictionary practice A. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Affair, bed, cart, doctor, ground, hermit, impossible, kingdom, messenger, pleasure, religion, sum, timetable, vice, yesterday. Speaking and writing. Sound A. Speak aloud then words in the given box and separate them into the following categories. Words ending in S sound: things, kings, clothes, roofs, birds, carpets, lips, grams, socks. Words ending in Z sound: shoes. Composition writing B. Read these lines and rearrange them to make a story. First, let us go down to the garden, Your Majesty said. Birbal, and I will tell you. Second, one day Akbar said to Birbal, can you tell me how many bangles your wife wears? Third, they went down the small staircase that led to the garden. Then Birbal turned to the emperor. So, Your Majesty, he said, you go up and down this staircase every day. Can you tell me how many steps there are in the staircase? Fourth, you cannot, exclaimed Akbar. You see her hands every day while she serves you food. Yet you don't know how many bangles she has on her hands. How is that? Fifth, the emperor grinned sheepishly and quickly changed the subject. First, one day Akbar said to Birbal, can you tell me how many bangles your wife wears? Second, you cannot, exclaimed Akbar. You see her hands every day while she serves you food, yet you do not know how many bangles she has on her hands. How is that? Third, let us go down to the garden, Your Majesty, said Birbal, and I will tell you. Fourth, They went down the small staircase that led to the garden. Then Birbal turned to the emperor. Your Majesty, he said, you go up and down this staircase every day. Can you tell me how many steps there are in the staircase? Fifth, the emperor grinned sheepishly and quickly changed the subject. तो यहाँ पे वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको यूनिट 2 अ गिफ्ट ऑफ चप्पल्स करवाऊँगी। ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।